War veteran and former ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Witness Geza, also known as Comrade Bombshell, has faced a setback in his attempt to impeach President Emmerson Mnangagwa this month after Parliament adjourned until 6 May 2025. Sanabina Mashkablanyi kwa panapa since Iowa, Geza's attempt to impeach Mnangagwa hit setbacks as Parliament adjourns was subscribed on the bail on 8 April 2025. Both the National Assembly and the Senate met briefly for about 7 minutes to make announcements before adjourning until 6 May. The houses had previously set on 3 April and adjourned to 8 April. The adjournment is likely due to Easter holidays and the upcoming Zimbabwe International Trade Fair, which will take place in Bulawayo. Geza had previously expressed his intention to introduce the impeachment motion this week, stating that the die has been cast and that the motion is already in motion. However, with the adjournment, Geza will now have to wait nearly a month before he can formally introduce the motion in the National Assembly, assuming he has a member of Parliament to move it. For a motion to appear to the Parliament order paper, it must be moved by an MP, seconded by another. At present, there is no indication of who will move or second the motion of Geza's behalf. Thomas panobuda panapa patimire pamsoro awa pe issue ya Geza ya kuimpeacha mtungamiri wenyika pangwa ino yanoona kuti awa the Zimbabwean leader is not incapacitated kuti aramba achitungamira aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe due to reasons anostate achi number 1 kuti mtungamiri wenyika aiwa ava nevascular dementia, number 2 andirana issues of corruption nemamwe reasons anotevera. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechituko ichi pida comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe pa like, turn on the bell icon.